What's up everyone, this is Marcus. It's been a while since I did a video. Well, I got rid of the Xterra, got a 99 Yukon. So did a little upgrade from the other system. So for under the hood, I have the two Mechman 370s, SMD fuse block, two Group 34 XSPower. The belt squeals still. I need to add a pulley right here. You can see it's still kind of rubbing, so that's something I need to do. There's the other one. I have 6 power and ground runs from the front to the back. For the doors, I have the Skar 8-inch and the 4-inch tweeters, just the two fronts. Still need to finish that. There's LEDs I need to do on the other side still. Starting to crack out already. Then behind this door, just stock panel, not plan on doing anything here. So on this side, just the power and ground run on the inside of the car. Then for the back, I plan on doing just like two 8-inch and 4-inch tweeters per door on the back. So for batteries back here, I have 8 MiSolar 16.5 amp hours. Then just another SMD fuse block. And the whole car, or most of it, spray foamed, and the whole car is sound deadened from the front to the back, headliner and everything. I plan on fiberglassing some point all this crap so you don't see nothing. For amps, I still have Taramps for highs, mids, bass. I plan on switching all this out to run all Skar. Then just for my tweeters, 2-1 amp, and then my mids, 2-1 amp. And then just another door on this side, of course. Alright, let me turn it on. Having problems with the Taramps 16 DSP sending a bad signal to my tweeter, so you'll hear that in just a second when it powers on.
I won't deny you, I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna fuck me without the police. But you can't trust me. Yeah, what up, Detroit? No, he didn't. They didn't do it again. What? Why do you shit on these niggas 2 times, Dr. Dre? Oh, for sure. No, this is special right here. What?
DJ Rusticles, kid tested, mother approved. 10K was an Alpine, killing them. You don't like my ram, you ain't feeling them. I go home and change my shoes and come back on some spin on one. Beating, I reload from the Jeep.
I guess I can tell you guys what I have in here. I have 8 Skar ZVX 15s, 4 of them wired to one 10K and the other 4 to the other 10K. Let's see if I can find a different song.
I want to be. I'm not a woman. I am Tupac.
So yeah, it's a new build. Let me know what you guys think. See ya.